Hey everybody! Before the video starts, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel because most of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, as you can see right here. And it'll really help us a lot. Enjoy the video! Man, it's a nice day out.
What are you doing?
Trying to sit.
That's cool. Can I sit with you?
Sure, I guess. This beach sucks. I've been looking for seashells everywhere, but I can't find them. Skill issue. Yeah, I tried getting in the water, but it's too cold. It's like an ice age out there. Oh. Wait, where's your hat? I lost it to crabs.
I'm going to go build a sandcastle.
Wait, are you done? With Tails is a hill.
No, it's not. It's a sandcastle.
Tails, I swear to God, if you don't get down, I'm gonna push it down.
You wouldn't. I can't believe Sonic did that. I'm gonna get my revenge.
Alright guys, what do you want to do now? Well, we could...
Alright, this will work.
Well, we could... Get this ah. Tails, what the hell?
That's what you get for stealing my sandcastle.
Okay, first of all, Tails, we didn't steal your sandcastle. And second of all, why'd you throw sand at us? We didn't even do anything to you. Hey, look, it's actually kind of sunny now. Neat. Are y'all gonna go swimming? Hell nah.
I mean, look at the view. It's pretty.
The view is pretty, but I don't want to go swimming. So, sand. Ugh, now it's kind of cold. Mario, where's your head? It lost to a crab, okay? Now shut up!
Guys, we have been sitting here for we should do something. Come on.
Okay, fine, I'm gonna go follow Tails. I'm gonna go find some women. I thought you had Daisy. Oh, okay.
Sonic, look! It's a sandcastle!
It's not even the big deal. And also, where's the other? One, Yoshi had a baby. Two, Kirby's... I don't even know. Probably in the void or something like that. Pikachu's on a vacation. And the rest are just chilling. We forgot to invite them, so yeah. Well, if you say so, I'm gonna go see the freaking kingdom. That is so cool. Sonic, I would be careful. Why do I need to be careful? Because what if something bad happens? Nothing bad's gonna happen. Sonic, no! Okay. Come on, Tails, let's go back. There's sand everywhere. What do I do now?
Well, have we done everything?
We can get some food.
Oh dear, it looks like it's about to rain.
We have been sitting out here for 2 days. What are you talking about? Fellas, we cannot leave without my hat. I got it. Alright, we can leave. Thank God. Oh man. What's over here? Tails, where are you? He's in there. Where am I? You are home, Sonic. This is a nightmare. No! 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 Oh, it was just a dream. Thank God. Hi. Alright, I'm just gonna start the day.